video, we will discuss the strategy of lateral reading for evaluating information sources on the web. When you are searching for information online, you frequently get back millions of results that you must sort through. And in addition, just by being part of our digital ecosystem of apps and platforms, information seeks you out and is customized by algorithms. So it's no longer enough in our digital world to evaluate all of that information based on a checklist. We need ways to evaluate information that brings more context and shows the interconnectedness of sources and authors. You may have been taught to read vertically, scrolling up and down through a site to evaluate its look and content, but this strategy limits you to the information that the authors want you to see about them and your existing knowledge of the topic. Reading laterally involves opening up a new tab to look outside the site to gather information on the authors, claims made, or references listed. As you go through our results, we might try to answer questions like these. Who is behind the information? What can I find out about them? And where did they get the information from? There are a few ways that we can determine the reliability of a source. Here we can check more information about the author and search for them and learn more about what they've written about, their background, their expertise. And we can also check the Wikipedia page for the publication itself to learn more about its mission and its perspective, and whether or not there's any kind of particular agenda or point of view or anything that they're trying to get across by giving you the information that they've presented on their site. But we can also do additional searches to see what the consensus on the topic that we're researching might be. So in this case, we found this article here where we're also able to learn more from a particular expert in the field on the subject that we're investigating. So lateral reading is a form of fact-checking, so you want to be looking at reliable sources to confirm and look out for a consensus across those sources. What lateral reading can't do is provide deep answers to big questions like, how does algorithm bias affect our daily lives? What it can do is help you evaluate the sources you come across while researching that question. If you need any help, please contact our librarian through chat, text, or call us. Thanks!